Hi guys, it's LindsayAnn. Happy New Year! I'm doing another giveaway to celebrate some exciting new changes for the new year. First, my website got a pretty little makeover, so head on over to LindsayAnnBakes.com, check it out. And of course, it's mobile friendly, so you can bring your phone into the kitchen and bake along with me. Second, I'm adding a really fun playlist to my YouTube channel where I'm going to be doing all kinds of really fun challenge videos and collabs and Q&As. Some of you may have already checked out my Bean Boozled challenge video that I did with some of my girlfriends last week on the channel. So I hope you guys liked that. It was literally so much fun to film. We couldn't stop laughing. So this week I'm hosting a really fun giveaway for you guys, and I'm going to be taking questions for my first Q&A video as your entry for the giveaway. So I partnered with some of my favorite brands to give one lucky winner a really fun prize pack. The winner's going to get this freaking adorable mini donut maker from Nostalgia Electrics. Seriously, guys, how cute is this thing? You can make little mini donuts, and to go along with it, you're gonna get a whole variety of my favorite muffin mixes by Krusteaz, and you can literally just make the batter, pour it in the donut maker, and in like 6 to 7 minutes, you have got the perfect, adorable little mini donuts in all these fun flavors. We've got my favorite chocolate chunk, wild blueberry, banana nut, and because you have to look super cute in your kitchen making your little donuts, I got you, don't worry. The winner's also gonna get my all-time favorite apron from Sugar Baby Aprons with the little ruffles and the heart pocket. Okay, so to enter to win the giveaway, super simple. All you have to do is number 1, you subscribe to the LindsayAnn Bakes YouTube channel, duh. And then number 2, go ahead and leave me a comment underneath this video on YouTube asking me a question for my first Q&A video. Now you guys can ask me anything you want, literally from baking questions to my personal life, and then I'm gonna be selecting a winner at random from the questions you guys entered below. And then make sure you're following me on Facebook or Instagram at LindsayAnn Bakes so you guys can stay up to date on when I'm gonna be announcing the winner and answering all of the Q&A questions. All right guys, that's pretty much it. Good luck in the giveaway. I'm actually super excited for the Q&A video. I've never done one before, but you've been asking me for a long time, so go easy on me with the questions. Leave a comment down below asking me anything you like, and I love getting to know you guys, so I hope you enjoy the Q&A answers, getting to know me a little bit better. Stay tuned next week. We're starting some really fun Valentine's Day recipes, and I'll see you guys there. Bye!